So what do you think of this? Pretty green, huh? This is like the perfect place to go after you've been in the desert for a while. Kind of change things up a bit. I just wish my helmet had a better camera on. I'm just not feeling like pulling stuff out. I want to make it to the ocean before sunset.
Battery level is low.
Oh, my battery level is low. As long as you don't stop recording, I know where I am now. I don't need a GPS anymore. Look at that. I hope I can get something nice out of this. Nice enough. Prop the helmet out.